S.C. Verma Solution, Chapter 1, Introduction to Physics, Question number 14. The kinetic energy K of a rotating body depends on its moment of inertia I and the angular speed omega. Assuming the relation to be K is equals to K I to the power A omega to the power B, where K is a dimensionless constant, find A and B. Moment of inertia of a sphere about its diameter is 2 by 5 mr square. Solution: we know the dimension of omega, that is angular speed, is equals to t to the power minus 1. Also given that moment of inertia for sphere is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. Now in terms of dimension, dimension of I is equals to dimension of m times dimension of r square, and finally we will get the dimension of m is m, capital M, and the dimension of r square is l square. The given equation is k is equals to k I to the power a omega b. Writing this equation in the dimension form, the dimension of k is equals to dimension of this k times dimension of I to the power a times dimension of omega to the power b. This k is energy, kinetic energy, and the energy has the dimension ml square t to the power minus 2 is equals to, this is dimensionless quantity, so it will not have any dimension. The dimension of I is ml square to the power a, dimension of omega is t to the power minus 1 to the power v. Therefore ml square t to the power minus 2 is equals to m to the power a, l to the power 2a, and t to the power minus b. Equating the corresponding powers, here a is equals to 1 here, and minus b is equals to minus 2, therefore b is equals to 2. Hence the values of a and b are 1 and 2 respectively.